I'm Laurie Thomas with the University of Kentucky Forestry and Natural Resources Extension, and I'm here with the tree of the week, the Eastern Hophornbeam. Eastern Hophornbeam, Astraea virginiana, is a small deciduous tree in the Beechiaceae or birch family, and there are 3 species of Astraea that are native to North America. The common name is derived from the hardness of its wood and the hop-like fruit. It's also known as American hophornbeam, hornbeam, leverwood, and ironwood. Trees typically grow about 20 to 40 feet tall and 7 to 10 inches in diameter. Hophornbeam is considered a short-lived, small to medium-sized understory tree, and it's classified as shade tolerant. It has a rounded to oval top with fine or slender horizontal drooping branches. The tree is not typically large enough to be commercially important for lumber, but it makes an attractive landscape tree and does provide food for wildlife. Eastern hophornbeam is found throughout the eastern half of the United States into Canada, with populations found in Guatemala, El Salvador, and Honduras. It can grow in a variety of soils, but is typically found on rocky forest and sloped areas both in the bottomlands and uplands. Where timber management is a concern, it's usually considered a weedy species. In the urban setting, it tolerates drought and heavy clay soils and makes an attractive small landscape tree. The leaves are alternately arranged on the twig and simple in form. They are oval to broadly lance-shaped, narrowing to a point at the tip. They're about 3 to 5 inches long and with doubly serrated margins. They tend to be green above and pale below and kind of fuzzy in the axils of the leaf veins. They resemble other birch species leaves. Autumn color is yellow to a golden reddish, and leaves tend to drop early in the fall. Hophornbeam is monoecious, which means a tree has both male and female flowers. The male flowers are preformed, typically 1-inch long catkins, and they're usually in groups of 3. They are said to resemble a bird's toes. The male flowers develop in late summer, preceding the female flowers, and are present throughout the winter. The female flowers appear in early spring and are in slender, light green catkins that are less than 1/2 inch long, and the flowers are wind-pollinated. The fruit is a 1/4 of an inch nutlet that's enclosed in a dried leafy sac which resembles a hop. There are several enclosed nutlets hanging from a single stem. The fruits ripen in fall and begin to break up, and seeds are mostly wind dispersed throughout fall into early winter. However, birds do provide some dispersal. Trees begin seed production around 25 years of age. The bark is smooth and reddish-brown with horizontal lenticels on young trees, and as the tree ages, the bark turns light brown and develops a shreddy appearance of loose scales or plates. The wood is extremely hard, and it has a high cutting resistance and is difficult to work. The sapwood is pale yellow, and the heartwood is light brown with a somewhat reddish hue. It is rated as non-durable to decay resistance. Overall, hophornbeam is considered as of secondary importance to wildlife. Deer only browse it incidentally. However, the buds and catkins are an important food source in the winter for ruffed grouse, and the nuts are eaten by wild turkey, bobwhite, red and gray squirrels, pheasant, purple finch, grosbeaks, and downy woodpeckers. Hophornbeam is not a timber tree due to its size, but the wood has been used for small specialty products like tool handles, posts, mallets, woodenware, and golf clubs. The national champion Eastern Hophornbeam as of 2021 is in Oxford, Maine, where it was planted in 1812 on Paris Hill. It is 75 inches in circumference, 65 feet tall, with a 34-foot crown spread. The Kentucky champion Eastern Hophornbeam is in Franklin County. It's 55 inches in circumference, 90 feet tall, with a 35-foot crown spread. If you'd like to know more about champion trees, check out American Forest National Champion Trees, or check out the Kentucky Division of Forestry Champion Trees. Now for a few fun facts about Eastern Hophornbeam. The hardwood was once used for sleigh runners, and Native Americans used the inner wood to treat toothaches and sore muscles. The common name of hophornbeam is derived from the hop-like fruits. Another common name for this tree is ironwood due to its extremely hard wood that has been known to dull the saw blade. The scientific name Astraea is from the Greek and means a tree with hard wood, and virginiana means from Virginia. I hope you get the opportunity to get out into your woodland, local park, or neighborhood this year and enjoy our beautiful trees, and maybe even get a chance to see the interesting Eastern Hophornbeam.